a that every achievement is the result of continuous effort and a willingness to learn and adapt. Principle 4. Choose meaningful relationships. When it comes to your personal life and relationships, it's important to consider how your choices align with your goals and aspirations. Prioritizing meaningful and serious relationships or choosing to remain single can be a strategic decision when you're focused on achieving your goals. Casual dating and short-term flings might divert your energy and attention away from your objectives. By investing your time and effort into building your personal success story first, you create a strong foundation for your future endeavors. If you do decide to pursue romantic relationships, it's beneficial to prioritize those that align with your values and aspirations. Healthy, supportive relationships can complement your journey towards success by providing emotional stability, understanding, and shared support for your goals. Ultimately, the choices you make in your personal life should contribute to your overall well-being and align with the path you've set for yourself. Principle 5. Cultivate a small circle of quality connections. Building a network of acquaintances and connections can be valuable in expanding your influence and creating opportunities. However, it's equally important to be selective about who you allow in your inner circle. Maintaining a small group of true friends who genuinely support, uplift, and challenge you can have a profound impact on your journey to success. These individuals should be people who share your values, aspirations, and drive, and who are willing to provide honest feedback and constructive criticism. Quality over quantity ensures that you're surrounded by individuals who have your best interests at heart and who will help you stay focused on your goals. Your inner circle can serve as a source of motivation, accountability, and emotional support as you navigate the challenges and triumphs on your path to becoming a millionaire. Principle 6. Embrace testing and learning from challenges. In your pursuit of financial success and building wealth, it's crucial to recognize that challenges are an inevitable part of the journey. Whether you attribute them to a higher power or simply the natural course of life, these challenges serve a profound purpose in shaping your character and fortifying your path to prosperity. It's often said that smooth seas do not make skillful sailors, and this sentiment holds true on your journey to becoming a millionaire. The challenges you encounter are not obstacles to be avoided, but rather opportunities for growth, self-improvement, and learning. Just as weightlifting builds muscle strength, challenges build mental and emotional resilience. They test your ability to handle success and responsibility, preparing you for the inevitable ups and downs that comes with financial achievements. Embracing these challenges with a positive mindset allows you to extract valuable lessons from them, transforming them into stepping stones on your road to wealth. It's important to approach challenges with a perspective that sees them as integral components of your success story. Rather than viewing them as setbacks, view them as moments of refinement. Each challenge you overcome adds a layer of wisdom and experience to your journey, making you better equipped to navigate future obstacles. These experiences help you develop problem-solving skills, adaptability, and the ability to maintain composure in the face of adversity. Just as a diamond is formed under immense pressure, challenges have the potential to bring out the best in you. They reveal your strengths, expose areas for improvement, and allow you to develop a resilient mindset that can weather even the most turbulent storms. As you face challenges head-on, you cultivate a sense of perseverance that will serve you well as you strive to achieve your financial goals. Principle 7. Invest early and wisely. Once you've started earning money, the next crucial step on your path to financial success is to strategically allocate your earnings into investments that have the potential to grow and secure your wealth over time. One effective approach is to focus on investments such as property or physical assets like gold. These investments offer unique advantages that can help you avoid impulsive spending and build a solid financial foundation for the long term. Real estate, for example, has a proven track record of appreciation over time. By investing in property, you not only have the potential to benefit from property value appreciation, but also generate rental income if you choose to rent out the property. Real estate investments tend to be less liquid than stocks or other assets, which can be beneficial in curbing impulsive spending. This illiquidity encourages a more disciplined approach to managing your finances, as you're less likely to tap into your investment capital for unnecessary expenses. Similarly, physical assets like gold have historically been considered a store of value and hedged against inflation. Gold's value tends to hold steady or even increase during times of economic uncertainty, making it a valuable asset to have in your investment portfolio. Like real estate, gold is also less liquid than some other assets, which can discourage rash spending and encourage a more thoughtful approach to financial decisions. Redirecting your earnings into these types of investments serves multiple purposes. Not only do they have the potential to grow your wealth over time, but they also provide a level of security and stability that can help you resist the temptation to spend impulsively. As you accumulate more assets through these investments, you're laying the groundwork for a financially secure future. It's important to approach these investments with careful consideration and research. Understand the market trends and potential returns associated with each investment option. Consider seeking advice from financial experts or professionals who can provide guidance tailored to your specific goals and circumstances. By redirecting your earnings into investments like property and physical assets, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your financial future. These investments not only have the potential to appreciate over time, but also help you cultivate a mindset of long-term financial planning and responsible wealth accumulation. As you continue to learn, grow, and make strategic decisions, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goal of becoming a millionaire and securing your financial success. Your journey to becoming a millionaire in your teens or early 20s is filled with challenges, opportunities, and valuable lessons. Remember that success requires patience, dedication, and the willingness to learn from both triumphs and setbacks. By embracing these 7 principles, you can chart a course to financial success and build a legacy that will inspire others for generations to come.